In front of me is Realme C65 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to tap on special features. Sorry, misclick. Then scroll all the way down to click on simple mode and tap on enter simple mode to activate it. Then wait. As you can see, easy mode is on. To go back, select settings, scroll all the way down, hit exit simple mode and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!